Nike's Air Max Sunder has remained faithful to its original design throughout its vintage cycle. The neoprene upper has been a staple of the Sunder since 2024. The Swoosh changed materials and colors before Kids of Immigrants brought a radical new design to the market. Although the switch isn't very substantial, the forthcoming Air Max Sunder SE adds some much-needed breathability on the upper to improve the on-foot performance. The little slits that seem to be carved into the soft shell are seen in greater detail in the official pictures for this edition. A tiny swoosh is also included for branding and functional reasons. Other key design elements of the shoe, like the armor-plated mudguard, are still typical of the Sunder that we are all familiar with. There is currently no official release date, so check back for updates. The MSRP of this model is probably going to be raised from the typical $180 to reflect Nike's upcoming brand-wide price increases.